Hi everyone, this is your Korean Sam, Jina and
강아.
today we're going to learn how to take a taxi. You can find taxi at any time in Korea, especially in Seoul. You can find these orange taxis. And when you want to take a taxi, you can wait at a taxi stand if it's around, or you can just wave like this on the street. And also you can use the mobile app called Kakao T, K-A-K-A-O-T. Then, but you have to be careful of the taxi because there is two signs of taxis at the front of the taxi. The first one is 빈차, which means vacant, so it's available. And 예약, which means it's reserved. So if it's 예약, even if you wave like this, taxi, it will just go pass by you. But if it's 빈차, then you can take the taxi. But it is confusing because of the color. 빈차 is red and 예약 is green. So you can be confused, but just remember, 빈차 is the taxi that you can ride. All right, then let's take a look into some example dialogue. So number one, if you have the address that you want to go, then you can just show this address to the driver, and A is you. 이 주소로 가주세요.
네, 알겠습니다.
Number two, your flight is almost the time, so you have to be hurried. Then, how can you say? 늦었는데 조금 빨리 가주세요.
네, 알겠습니다.
빨리. 네. Number three, and your destination is here, so you want to get off the taxi. Then, 여기 세워주세요.
네, 알겠습니다.
네. Number four, also when you want to get a receipt, then you can say like this. A, 영수증 좀 주시겠어요?
여기 있습니다. 감사합니다.
감사합니다. Okay, are you ready for practice? 따라하세요. 빈차. 빈차는 빨간색이에요.
예약. 예약한 택시는 초록색이에요.
주소. 이 주소로 가주세요.
빨리. 늦었는데 빨리 가주세요.
영수증. 영수증 좀 주시겠어요? 좋아요. 여러분 이제 택시 탈 수 있어요. 그럼 다음 시간에 만나요.